Hey, I'm Sarah, and today we're hanging out at Northeast Factory Direct with Alex. So for years, you've been selling high-quality hot tubs at a much lesser price, and now you have a brand new line of spas. I want to know about these.
So we're super excited about our new line of hot tubs that we have here. They're Caldera spas. They're the most maintenance-free spas with the best warranties in the business. And one of the most unique features about these spas is that they have a patented freshwater salt system, which is amazing because a lot of people love the idea of having a spa, but when it comes to the maintenance, the chemicals, it can become a nightmare. So what this means is that you have fresh water year-round, and you only have to drain your hot tub once a year. So they're really the most maintenance-free spas you can get, as well as they have an amazing warranty.
Yeah, okay, so this sounds like there could be a lot of health benefits to them as well.
Sure, so there's so many health benefits of just being in a spa itself, but now you don't have to worry about your skin with bromine and things like that, and that's really important to us.
Yeah, so, you know, people love hot tubs, again, for those health benefits and things like that. What are kind of like the differences between maybe how long they would last, between, I know the warranty are really good on these, between a traditional hot tub?
Yeah, so these are the best warranties in the business and the most energy efficient. I mean, people just don't want to deal with high electric bills. They don't want to deal with how do I deal with my green water. They just want something that they can use and enjoy with their family for a long time.
So they're more energy efficient as well?
They're the most energy efficient spas you can get.
I love it. And how many different options do you have?
So we have a ton of options. You can get a hot tub from us starting as low as $99 a month, which is way less than one of the fancy stores charge.
I love it. Northeast Factory Direct, come check out all of these new spas and hot tubs. East side, west side, south side, northeastfactorydirect.com.